just a warning from the past to make sure you're learning.
We're once again in the woods, and today we're checking out some ice falls. In the summertime, it's like nothing. It's just a trickle of water, but in wintertime it builds up into ice falls. So hopefully today it will be okay because it's been warm, so hopefully it hasn't melted. But we'll find out. The ice falls are right up there.
Mistakes that you did last. Send me your letter when you're done.
So up there you can see the water trickling off the cliff, and in summertime it's obviously nothing, but in winter the freezing temperatures create this. It's very beautiful. You can see some of the ice from the ice falls that broke off here. We are in the danger zone. It is really melting. Like you can really hear it up there. This is in behind the ice falls. Cool. Very cool.
Evaluating what your short life has become. You should know. You should know.
I don't think there's any way I can get over there. It's like sheer ice.
Don't try to cover up your ways.
Aspen, what are you looking at? What's down there? Who knows? That ain't the trail.
In light of what you've seen so far, there are better ways. Throw preconceptions down the drain. 'Cause this is your...
Here I am posing for the Wait. Here I am posing for the camera, and then a giant ice chunk falls off. And it's a good thing I wasn't still standing there and I was further down here, because I might have been nailed.
It flew off all the way from the top and landed like down here right where Daniel Wright was.
I wonder... We have to look through our pictures because you were taking pictures, but I don't know if we got anything. That could have been bad. So, if you come to ice falls when it's melting, you know, I mean, you could and just not care like me, or stay away. Oh look, oh look, look.
Oh, there's some falling down there.
Our last chance. You should know. You should know.
There's little pieces of ice rolling down. They keep breaking off and rolling towards us. So I think we're gonna start heading home. But it's really nice up here. We're like sunbathing.
Yes,
it's so warm.
sunbathing.
It's like since we first came up here, we've only been up here maybe a half an hour, and it started pouring so much more water from the heat.
Yeah.
The sun's just so hot right now. It's nice.
Yeah, it's probably only like 0 degrees too, and it's just pouring off. Oh, you can see it like... I
Little
don't know
pieces
if
are just chipping off.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera can see it.
Watch your leg, it's tangled. It's so steep, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's so steep that you pretty much just slide right down on your butt. Is it? Okay.
I kind of want to go do that again.
My butt.
Oh, yeah. Imagine if you went all the way down and you just nailed that tree. I'm gonna go again.
Okay.
Yeah. Underlay. Aspen, get out of my way! Yeah, you go, Starr. Oh.
Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Was that fun?
Oh, here the ocean is near, but you dug a hole and buried my fear. And we scattered like trees, sometimes in line, but I'm down all the time. You wait, but still trouble by trouble by trouble by trouble to lay